Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk you through the steps to copy multiple chat messages on WhatsApp using your PC. This new update makes it easier than ever to select and copy several messages at once. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to access your chats. Next, navigate to the chat where the messages you want to copy are located. This could be a conversation with a friend, family member, or even a group chat. Once you're in the chat, right-click on any message. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Select. This will activate the selection mode. Now, go ahead and select all the messages you want to copy. Simply click on each message to include it in your selection. You can choose as many messages as you need. No limits here. After selecting the messages, look for the copy icon at the top of your screen. It typically looks like two overlapping sheets of paper. Click on this icon to copy all the selected messages to your clipboard. And that's it. You've successfully copied multiple chat messages from WhatsApp on your PC. You can now paste them wherever you need, whether it's another chat, an email, or a document. This feature is incredibly useful for sharing information quickly and efficiently. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Don't forget to explore more features of WhatsApp to make your messaging experience even better. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.